Hello everybody, this is your friendly neighbourhood Fix It with Nick. This is the month of October, and as we all know, month of October is Fire Safety Month. So what I've been doing, thanks to Costco, when I went in, it was first alert fire alarms for smoke and carbon monoxide poisoning. Great for me to do this at home. This is the old one, 2009. So I'm going to show you how to easily and simply replace these safely, install these, and then you can have a good night's sleep knowing that your new fire alarm is going to keep you safe and sound. First off though, safety first. So we are going over to the control box to shut off the electrics to the smoke detectors. And here we are, we're at the electrical panel, and what we're going to do is already labeled smoke detectors. We're going to shut him off, and let's go back inside and make sure that everything is off. So with this particular model, it is it's a model SC9120B. You will notice that there's this tab here that separates the battery from the contacts. This is very difficult to pull out. So there's a step that you have to do to remove this. And the way that I found that was the best way is that just here is hidden. There is a pin that's hidden under this label. It's a safety pin to prevent people from tampering with the battery. And if I just pop that there, here we go, out he comes. I'm going to swing the door open now. Now you can pull this completely safety. I'm going to have to use a little bit of pull. Now, when we snap it shut, you are ready to go. And then of course, if you like, you can put the safety locking pin in, but that's how you dig it out. So that was the only issue I'd found. So hopefully this will be helpful for you. Go. So here, now that we've turned the electricity off to this alarm, the light is off. There is no power coming in. So we're going to quickly now dismantle this. So we just give this a quick twist. This is an old one. This is an old jack that I pulled out here. So this is this one here. Now there's two bolts in place, and I am going to just quickly just loosen these a bit. You don't have to take them out, just got to loosen them. Just a couple of turns. Like that, and then there they pop. And there should be 3 sets of wires. As this is an older house, I have, let's see here, I've got the black wire, I have the white, and I have red. So white right here, these are all twisted together. I like to split them apart nice and wide. And now we can just disconnect this. Take this one real quick. This one here. So with this particular model, it is a hardwired replacement kit. So unfortunately for me, my old smoke detectors, these hookups would not work for me. So I can't use this bundle. But what I can use, and it did come through, is the connector into your new smoke detector. And then you have the 3 wires here that I'm actually going to twist together. I'm just going to remove the tip of this to reveal the bare wires, and then we're going to connect these shortly. So what I have here, we're going to attach these 3 wires over to here. I like to use a long nose plier just to twist wires together. So I am going to start, let's have a look here. I'm actually going to start with, why not the black? So we have the black here. And this is the connector to bind the black to the others. See you. Get that, fold that in there. 2. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this new faceplate up in here, slide this in here, and then get this into here, And I'm going to screw this in, but I don't want you to have to watch me screw this in because I want this to be a quick video and not one where you start dozing off. And here we go. We just got that in. This should be nice and snug. Doesn't have to be Herculean. You don't have to go too crazy, but it's nice snug in here. We have the new alarm. We are going to plug him in. Let's have a look. Just get him in. I'm going to align the pins like that. He's in there. Let's tuck him in here and let's give him a quarter. Just a twist. He's locked into place. Now what we're going to do, we're now going to go back to the electrical panel, hit that switch, and then we're going to give this a test to make sure that it works. And when this goes off, then all the others in this daisy chain of alarms should all go off together. So now we've turned the electrics back on, and now I can see the little faint of a green light on. Now we need to test it to make sure that it's hooked up right and that it sets off every other alarm in the house. So hold on tight. Yep. And there you have it. That's it. It does little blips throughout the house so we know that they're all working. And what we're going to do, we're going to tidy up. But there's one last thing I've got to really emphasize. That on your old smoke detector, they have radioactive materials in them. So don't just throw them in the trash. Get rid of them responsibly. I'm going to take mine to my refuse company and have them dispose of my old smoke detectors safely. So anyway, hopefully you found that helpful. So there you go. The month of October is Fire Safety Month, so hopefully that will help you out. And anyway, if you liked the video, hit the like button. And even if you didn't like the video, hit that like button too. Thanks very much. Thanks for watching.